Hello and welcome to another Process Love Candy. My name is Mark Sheard and you can find me on Instagram at Sheardo, and this is a time-lapse demonstration of my work. Today's piece of love candy was drawn in Procreate and features the amazing Miss Flamboyant Flamingo. I donated this illustration last year for the Miss Cars for Kids Pinup competition. Miss Flamboyant Flamingo won the Miss Charity crown at the event, and overall it helped raise a bunch of money for the Good Friday appeal, which was lovely. It was a great event to be part of. I was lucky enough to be invited by the host, Miss Nina Las Vegas, to be part of the event and help judge. So many wonderful contestants that year, so many wonderful people. It was just great to meet everyone and get to know everyone more. And it's a wonderful scene. I highly recommend, if you're into pin-up or retro fashion or anything like that, come down to one of your local events, find them, search them out. They're all so wonderful, inviting and entertaining and family friendly too. My little girl got up on stage that day to be part of it and show off her little devil dress that she wore, which was wonderful. I chose this specific picture of Miss Flamboyant Flamingo here just because of the outfit she was wearing and the angle. I love drawing stripes. Stripes are so cool. Same as polka dots, they're great, but these stripes were really cool the way they fold in and out and then really show the form and dimensions of the character. So it was a pleasure to draw those, and those little elements where they overlap and get thinner and thicker, which really helping define the shapes and everything. So it was an enjoyable drawing to do, a little difficult and a killer on the brain, but a fair amount of fun. And I was glad that Alison loved this drawing and noticed the little extra details that went into it, particularly in her eyes. This Flamboyant Flamingo has, these little speckles in her eyes, which I had to make sure that I got. I'm always encapsulating little bits of the characters. And I have cartooned this up. She's got quite large eyes in this drawing, but she's got such big, beautiful, pronounced eyes. I thought it would be a bit of fun just to really showcase them and enlarge them, and blow them up. Anyway, I hope you've all enjoyed this drawing. I've really enjoyed showing it to you. Love you all. Stay well, stay safe, and keep being wonderful, and share a smile to a stranger. Thanks.